In this video, we're going to have a quick look at how to use a quiz as part of an assignment in Teams. So I've clicked on Assignment in my team, and I'm going to go to Create. Whereas previously we've looked at how to create an assignment, this time we're going to create a quiz. And you'll see here we've got all of the forms that we've got set up in Microsoft Forms that are specifically tagged as quizzes when we created them. You'll see from some of the things that we've got in the list here, I've used this with my classes, everything from some multiple choice questions to recap quizzes, right the way through to here, a full past paper. And I've done that with a few different things, particularly during remote learning, during lockdown, where I've had students actually complete entire exam papers using this method, the combination of Microsoft Forms and setting it as an assignment in Teams. So in the previous video about creating a quiz using Microsoft Forms, we created the Year 11 weekly quiz. So I'm going to select that one. So I select it and press Next. At this stage, I've got all of the different settings that I had when I created my previous assignment. So I can enter some instructions, read each question carefully before answering. Remember, because I might want to add a tip here, to include key terms in the longer answer, because in the second question, we gave the students an option to have a longer answer. Now, when we set an assignment up, we could say how many points were available. However, we've already done that in Forms when we created our quiz, so it knows that there's 2 points available for this. In terms of everything else, assigning to, due dates, etc., that's exactly as it is in the creating assignments video when we create a normal assignment. So if you haven't already watched that, I'd recommend that you go back and watch that video before you carry on with this in terms of actually how to set those details. But once I'm happy, I'm just going to press Assign. And there we have. The quiz is assigned, students will get a notification, and they'll be able to complete that work before the deadline.